Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Honda Pioneer kit is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for off-road enthusiasts who want to enjoy the thrill of their utility vehicles on paved roads. This comprehensive kit ensures your Honda Pioneer meets all the necessary legal requirements for on-road driving, transforming your off-road machine into a versatile, street-legal vehicle while maintaining its rugged capabilities, allowing you to seamlessly transition between terrains. Number 5. KEMIMOTO UTV Turn Signal Kit. This kit is designed to fit many vehicles, including Polaris, Can-Am, Kawasaki, and more. It's the perfect way to make your ride street legal and safer. Installation is quick and easy thanks to its pre-assembled harness and labeled connectors. It's perfect for 2-seater, 4-seater, and 6-seater vehicles. It includes a loud, yet not startling, 110 dB horn to alert others. A short or long press activates it, and releasing the button stops it. The amber lights are highly visible, even in bad weather. They greatly improve safety by ensuring other drivers see you. It features an upgraded harness long enough for vehicles up to 220 inches. Color-coded wires and an included guide make installation efficient. The kit comes complete with everything you need: lights, horn, switches, harness, and even cable ties. You'll be ready to install it right away. What we like. It boasts compatibility with an impressive range of vehicles. Installation is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly design. If you need a loud and clear horn for safety, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything was simple, quick connects and mounting was easy. Bright lights for turn signals and horn is loud. Everything worked as it should. Everything pre-wired and plenty of wire to get everywhere tucked away in my Gator RSX 850. Super bright lights, horn is perfect sound level. Switches clip in nice and tight and plenty of wire is even sleeved with protection where needed. Easy to install. Number 4. Universal ATV UTV Turn Signal Kit. This kit gives your ATV or UTV a complete upgrade, adding safety and convenience with turn signals, horn, and USB charging. It's designed to fit a wide range of popular ATV/UTV models, including Polaris RZR, Honda Pioneer, and Can-Am. It's also great for custom projects. It's a true plug-and-play system. Everything is pre-assembled, making installation simple and quick, even for beginners. The kit includes LED turn signals, a horn, USB charger, emergency stop button, wiring harness, and all necessary installation components. We package it carefully to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. If there are any issues, we'll send a free replacement. Get this kit and enhance your ATV or UTV's safety and functionality. Order yours now. What we like. This kit's extra-long wiring harness ensures a perfect fit for most vehicles. The simple design makes installation quick and easy for all skill levels. If convenience and added safety features are your priorities, this is the kit for you. What people say. Complete set, works as advertised. To install right, prepare to drop skid plates and heat shields, drill different size holes and cut rectangular openings. Take your time and route and support wires. I installed this product on a Kawasaki Teryx 4. As an aircraft mechanic, I liked the fact that the kit came out of the box all connected, with one of the first steps in the instructions was connect the horn and power and test before install. This unit has reinforced nylon braiding around the harnesses, making it much more apt to stand up to the rugged and wet environment. Total time to install was 6 hours, including removal and reinstall of fender panels. Number 3. 3102 Honda Pioneer Street Legal Kit. This kit transforms your Honda Pioneer 1000-1005, making it street legal and ready for the road. It's a simple upgrade for increased functionality. Everything you need is included for a seamless installation. No need to source parts separately, it's all here in one convenient kit. It features 6 bright LED turn signals up front for increased visibility. These signals ensure you're seen by other drivers. The kit includes an automotive-style turn signal and horn switch conveniently mounted on the steering column. Operation is simple and intuitive. The kit comes with all the necessary hardware to mount your license plate, including an LED license plate light. It's fully compliant for street use. This kit is compatible with all years of the Honda Pioneer 1000 and 1005 models. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's a perfect fit. What we like. It's specifically designed for a particular model, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration. The bright LED lights provide excellent visibility. If you value a clean, factory-like installation, this is the option for you. What people say. Installed on my new 2021 Honda Pioneer 1005. Took me between 4 to 5 hours, but instructions were okay and it works great. Number 2. Universal Rocker Switch Kit. This kit is designed for easy installation and seamless integration into your ATV or UTV. It's the perfect solution for adding turn signals and enhancing visibility. It fits into a standard cutout and comes with a pre-wired harness, making installation a breeze. No complex wiring is needed. Unlike other kits, it illuminates when the key is on, providing constant visibility. It also flashes brightly when activated. The kit includes 8 round LED signals that mount easily. These signals ensure you're seen, day or night. Installation is straightforward, requiring only 2 connections to your vehicle's power supply. It's designed for a quick and easy setup. This kit ensures your ATV or UTV meets street legal requirements, adding safety and peace of mind. Ride legally and confidently. What we like. The illuminated switch is easy to see, even in low light. The pre-wired harness makes installation simple and fast. If you want a stylish and functional upgrade, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Installed them on my 22 Polaris General and they look great. Should have taken more pictures to post, but wasn't thinking about it at the time. Installed horizontal switch on the dash, to the left of the steering wheel. Comes with an adjustable relay to adjust the rate of flashing to your own preference. Lights are bright and connections are solid. I put heat shrink tubing on all connections to aid in weatherproofing. Installed all of these into body panels with a step bit, then cleaned up the holes with a paddle bit. Directions for installation were very clear and helpful as I am a complete novice in electrical work. They look great and function flawlessly. This kit was very well put together. Everything you need to wire into the lights. Some of the things that really impressed me were, the relay PRE wired in, with an adjustment knob that works perfect to adjust the speed of the blink. The rocker switch, I wanted the backlit version but the lead time was a couple weeks so I opted for the non. But I have to say, even without the backlighting I'm happy. Because while it is non-lit when off, as soon as you press to signal the arrow on the switch flashes, so you can see from in the car when and what signal is on. Also the block behind the switch that is all pre-wired and just plugs into the back of the rocker switch is awesome. Makes it super easy to install. All the individual components seem like great quality, the wire, the lights, even had a loom holding the plus, captive. But the biggest most impressive part was the terminal connectors. I have a bugaboo about ugly wiring. Normally I would just throw away any included terminals. But when I opened the pack and saw the shrink wire connectors, I just wanted to give the seller a shout out because of that. I know it cost them a lot more to include those rather than the crappy crimp type. Install went fast and works great. Number 1. Pioneer LED Turn Signal Kit. It's everything you need for a safe and legal turn signal setup on your Pioneer. Installation is easy thanks to clear labeling and online video guides. These aren't your average blinkers. The super bright LEDs ensure you're seen, day or night, for increased safety. This kit is designed for a simple installation. It comes with a pre-wired rocker switch, saving you time and hassle. It's fully compliant with all street legal requirements. The included horn kit ensures you meet all legal standards. Everything is included: lights, switch, wiring, horn, and detailed instructions. You'll find everything you need in one convenient kit. The dash-mounted switch is backlit for easy visibility at night. It's a simple, yet effective design. What we like. It includes everything you need for a complete installation, saving you time and hassle. The clear instructions and online video support make setup a breeze. If you prefer a comprehensive and user-friendly kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Well thought out kit with excellent quality components. Everything needed for installation was included in the kit. Installed the turn signals in just a few hours. The turn signal portion installed and worked as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.